the Amazon Influencer Program. If you want to spend on influencer marketing and sell products on Amazon, you must work with an influencer who is an Amazon affiliate. In 2017, Amazon introduced its own Amazon Influencer Program. This program allows influencers to create their own mini shopping store. The program is open to qualifying consumers who have a YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook account. Hey guys, my name is Asta from Paper Video. Today I will tell you everything about the Amazon Instagram program. Before we begin though, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. What exactly is the Amazon Influencer Program? Amazon is using influencer marketing to sell products, but in a different way. This is an incredible program for influencers to double their income. The Amazon Influencer Program in India allows you to create an influencer account on Amazon. The products you recommend to your audiences will appear on your Amazon Influencer page. Once you get the approval at your Amazon Influencer account, you become eligible to recommend products. While you select a product, Amazon gives you a unique URL. You can share this URL with your followers. When a customer shops through that link, you get your commission just like the Amazon Associates program. Who can join the Amazon Influencer program? Influencers across all platforms like Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook can sign into the program. However, there are criteria that influencers have to match to become an Amazon influencer. Number 1, huge following. To become an Amazon influencer, you should have almost 100,000 to 500,000 followers. However, the officials have not clearly confessed yet how many followers one should have to be an Amazon influencer. Number 2, quality content. To be an Amazon influencer, your content should be of higher quality and original. Number 3, engagement. Your engagement rate determines the quality of your work. There are 2 options to be an influencer. Amazon itself invites you, or you can apply at the Amazon influencer link. Amazon influencer setup, the application process. To become an Amazon influencer, you will need to follow their application process. Amazon then reviews your application and decides whether you are eligible or not. Through Facebook and Instagram, Amazon takes 5 days to review your application, but through Twitter and YouTube, it reviews in real time. If your application gets accepted, you'll be notified. After that, you'll be able to go on to the next steps. Your storefront. Once you're done with the application process, you'll get the chance to create your Amazon influencer account and your store on Amazon. While creating your store, remember your niche. Always recommend those products which people may buy after seeing your recommendation. Imagine you are a photography influencer and you are recommending drawing products. It sounds weird, right? Your audience will feel the same and it will not consider your recommendations. Customize your store. Amazon Influencer Store allows you to customize it according to your choice. You can add a new product to your page by following these simple steps. Go to the Amazon search bar, select the product you want. Advertising your products. You can do this in various ways. If you're a YouTuber, you can add a link in your video descriptions and discuss product features in your videos with a call to action. If you're an Instagrammer, you can promote your products through posts and add the store link in bio. If you're a blogger, you can add another page to your blog like My Amazon Store or Recommendations. Amazon doesn't ask you to post on particular days or times. It's your choice whenever you want to post. The best way to decide whether you should post once a week or the whole week is to analyze your audience. How are they engaging with those posts? Getting paid. There's no official amount of money that Amazon pays to its influencers. However, commissions range anywhere from 1% right up to 10%, with the average commission sitting at 7%. Products like clothing are likely to have higher Amazon commission rates than products like video games. Maintain the momentum. This is a basic need if you want to benefit from anything. Don't over-promote, but don't either forget to promote. Keep the momentum alive. Track your sales. Amazon Influencer Store has a special tab that gives all the analytics and feedback on sales, money earned, payments, fees, and other transactional information. These analytics can easily tell you all the details, and you will be able to analyze your success. If you have a large following, then Amazon Influencer Program is an excellent platform for you. This program in India is a cost-effective tool to reach potential customers. Amazon made it easier for influencers and brands to end the long hustle and simply established a valuable business deal on one single platform, the Amazon Influencer Program. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to like and share it with your friends, family, and colleagues. Share any tips that worked for you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.